Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for my today's video, it's going to be a review and a detailed information about a product that I'm sure a lot of you people might be alien to, and so was I a month ago exactly. So today I'm going to be talking about a product which was sent across to me by this company called the Thrive company, and it is a hair healing shampoo for extra care of your hair which has higher plex in it, having a healthier hair, and this has hair healing properties in it. Out how your hair is healthier or not, or how your body is actually performing internally. I'm sure all of you guys must know, and our parents keep on telling us this, our grandmothers, our grandparents keep on emphasizing about how important a good diet is to maintain your skin, hair, body and everything else. So similarly, you can understand if or not your hair is healthy by knowing how your hair looks, and also your hair health tells you if your routine is working out for your body internally or not. Because if our hair health is showing improvement and it's looking good and it's looking healthier, it shows that our body internally is also working perfectly fine. It's producing all the nutrients and vitamins that we internally need, and that is getting shown on our skin and our hair. Since a lot of factors affect our hair health, it's stress, it's how we shampoo our hair, how frequently, how we use the towel, how we dry our hair, how many times we're using the heating tools on our hair, what kind of products you're using, what kind of shampoo you're using for your hair type, and how you're actually dealing with the weather conditions. All of these things and a lot of other things impact our hair health, and also they depict how our hair looks as well. These factors tend to make our hair dull, it removes the shine, it makes our hair brittle, it makes our hair having a lot of split ends in it, our scalp becomes dry, we have a lot of dandruff issues, we have hair fall issues. And to cater to all of these issues, this company has taken out a shampoo which targets the hair healing condition. So it's a hair healing shampoo with higher plex in it. Now higher plex is a huge word, I know, but I'm going to tell you what higher plex is and what it does for our hair, and you're going to be able to understand why I'm recommending this shampoo after using it for a month and which is why I can vouch for this product. And after ending this video, I'm sure a lot of you people will understand you should go and try out this product for yourself. Now, I'm pretty sure everyone goes to a salon at least thrice or 4 times in a month, and you're always recommended numerous other products by your hairdresser or your barber that you should buy this shampoo, you should buy this conditioner, you should use this mask, it's going to make your hair like this, it's going to make your hair salon smooth, it's going to make your hair as if you've got some smoothing done. But this is the only product that has actually made my hair look very silky, very smooth, and also less breakage, and I can see a drastic difference in my scalp. You guys can see how I'm using this shampoo. This is how we generally shampoo our hair. We just massage it into the scalp really well. I use this shampoo. This has a very nice consistency. It's not too thick, it's very nice to lather up, and then I use it on the roots of my hair, which helps me detangle my hair very effectively actually. And also I just keep it for 1 to 2 minutes like you use any other conditioner on your roots of your scalp. I use this shampoo, keep it for 2 minutes, and then rinse it off. After getting air dried or using a dryer on your hair, you can see that your hair has become detangled, it's less frizzy, it is a lot shinier than it used to be. And after using it for a while, because obviously it's a hair care product, so you need to use it consistently to see a difference in your hair. I move forward, I just want to tell you guys what this term higher plex, which is written on this bottle, means. So higher plex is something that has properties and compounds in it, actually retains the moisture of your hair, gives a lot of hydration because of other things that are present in this shampoo. It detangles your hair very nicely because it has done that for me, which is why I'm telling you these pointers. It's made my hair a lot shinier, which is why it looks healthy also now, and it has increased the volume of my hair because the hair fall has decreased significantly. I can see that this shampoo is suitable for all hair type people, be it people who have done a lot of color in their hair, who have a lot of relaxers, dyes, they have done a lot of treatments for their hair. It's suitable for all and every. Because of Hyaplex, it repairs the damage that your hair bonds have, because we guys are living in such an era where we keep on using hairstyling tools and we keep on styling our hair with braids and ponytails and whatnot, and using so many other products to make our hair look shinier and healthier by using a lot of oils as well. It has actually made our hair very brittle, very frizzy. It's led to more hair fall and breakage. So this shampoo is especially crucial for all and every other person, be it a male, female, or anybody else. A hair healing shampoo has damage reversal properties, and because this has a lot of ingredients that I'm just going to tell you guys about so that you can know what kind of product you're using on yourself. It provides the much needed respite from frizz free, breakage free hair and a lot shinier hair that we all want, because this is built in with the 3rd generation hair technology. It restores the protein bonds that our hair has, so our hair also has proteins in it which needs to get restored by the products that you're using on your hair externally. Also seals in the cuticles, and your scalp also improves drastically. If you have dry scalp and dandruff, it's going to cater to that as well. Prevents any dryness by retaining in the moisture in your hair, and also it restores all the proteins of your hair. These are the benefits that you can get from this hair healing shampoo. Now also this has strengthened my hair very significantly. I can see within 1 week of use, I could see that my shine is back in my hair. My hair looks a lot healthier than it used to, and it has made my hair less frizzy. It's made my hair very smooth, as if I've got some kind of treatment done in my hair. Elasticity is basically if you try and pull a strand of your hair and try to just pull it really firmly, if or not your hair is breaking from the middle, you can see how good the elasticity of your hair is. By giving the shine and a healthier scalp, as you guys can see, it has removed all sorts of dryness and also has got my moisture back in my hair. You need to use it regularly for seeing a noticeable improvement in your hair, just like this product that I'm recommending you guys. You need to use it for a month so to see the difference that you are gaining from this product or not. And also the ingredients are Hyaplex, I just told you. There is sorbate 80, there is citric acid in this. There are other chemical compounds that you or me cannot pronounce really well, but they are the ones that you need to have. Shampoo is just like a hair mask for you, and it has a lot of lubricants which can actually improve your hair quality and the protein bonds, as well as citric acid, which maintains the pH value of your hair and also helps in less frizzy and a better hair appearance. It became very smooth, very silky, very less hair fall that I could see while taking my bath and afterwards. And I have seen that even after using a hair dryer, I have less breakage, which I used to have earlier. I have improved my diet as well to see a difference with this shampoo, because you need to make other changes also. Just not the product is going to work out for you. You need to maintain a good regime. Your diet, your exercise is also significantly important as much as this product is to be used for your healing. So it's very important to prioritize your hair health as well, and you have a good hair routine. Wash your hair at least twice a week to see the difference in your hair and to know what a hair healing shampoo is. This is something that I came across and I'm so glad that I did, because I'm going to be using this product. I've already used half the bottle. I cannot show you that because it's not a transparent bottle, and I would recommend it to you guys to use and to prioritize your hair as much as you prioritize all the other things in your life. And if you have any queries, please feel free to comment down below. I will be linking the product link in the description below. That I shall see you in my next video. Be positive, keep shining love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.